Our next guest sees earnings from the likes of Nvidia and Microsoft pushing markets into a parabolic mode. Let's bring him in, Ken Mahoney, Mahoney Asset Management CEO. So Ken, talk about this parabolic rise and as well as the risks that the tech sector could face that might upend some of this market euphoria.
I love the word parabolic. I think my high school teacher would be very proud of me that I've actually still used it. I don't know how many years later, 40 years later, but again, there's a lot of reason why they have a strong tailwind, the NVIDIA, Microsoft, and so forth. But first off, one thing that doesn't get mentioned a lot in the media, I believe, is a weaker dollar, right? So inflation's come down, interest rates have come down, and a weaker dollar really helps out earnings for multinationals. And I think the analysts on these companies have sniffed that out. When you look in the video, by the way, in the last couple of weeks, we saw Taiwan Semiconductor, their largest contract manufacturer in the world, for chips. They own about 55% dominant. They are smoking over there. They're doing really well. Zuckerberg and Meta basically last week said, 350,000 new chip orders coming in, about $9 billion in capital expenditures. So, this is not like, this is AI is something around a concept and isn't that pretty. It's resulting in real earnings. And those companies like NVIDIA, they're in all the growth areas, autonomous cars and so forth, gaming. And you go to Microsoft, you get all the verticals and you get AI. So you have cloud, you have gaming, you have Microsoft Windows and all that. And then on top of that, you get AI. So I think there's a really strong reason why there is such a strong tailwind for the leadership, especially these companies that already have, strong foundational businesses. And then add that to accretively AI and all the different revenue sources and streams that could come from that.